Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Xbox is updated and you can access the image source. Plug a FAT32/NTFS USB or sign into OneDrive on the console app so the image is available. Next, press the guide button and navigate to Profile and System, then Settings. Once there, go to General and open Personalization. This immediately places you in the right menu. Make sure your account can change themes. If it cannot, switch to the account that can and continue. Now you select the custom image option and tell the console where to look. Choose Background, then My Color and Background, and pick Custom Image. Once selected, browse connected USB, OneDrive folders, or use the mobile transfer feature to find your file. When the image loads, use the crop and position tools to frame the subject and adjust brightness if available. This step matters because Xbox scales images. After previewing, confirm Apply so the new wallpaper is stored and shows on home immediately. Finish by checking the home screen and menus to verify the wallpaper applied correctly. Make sure colors and contrast look right during gameplay transitions. If it didn't apply, verify the file is JPG or PNG and within supported resolution limits, and ensure the storage device is mounted. As a quick fix, restart the console, reinsert the USB, or upload the image to OneDrive and repeat selection. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh permissions, then try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.